I'm on board Lufthansa flight LH416, the inaugural commercial service of the Boeing 747-8i. The flight departed Frankfurt at a weight of 377.6 tons, with 313 passengers and 20 crew on board. Our total payload was 50 tons. The flight crew opted for a 20% reduction in thrust for our graduated takeoff run, and we reached an initial cruise altitude of 34,000 feet before later climbing to flight level 360. After initially cruising at Mach 0.85 and overtaking a 777, we then slowed slightly to Mach 0.843 to ensure we didn't arrive too early for the celebrations in Washington. Amazingly, it's more than 40 years since Pan Am inaugurated jumbo jet services back in 1970 with the jet that would go on to shrink our world. And this, the 747-8i, is the most capable, comfortable and quiet 747 built to date. I asked Boeing 747 Program Chief Elizabeth Lund about future sales prospects, the stretch version of the 747.
I do think that we will see more sales in 2012 for the 747-8s. I think that it will come in two versions. I do think that we hope to get confirmation of some of the MOUs that we have that are not in our firm backlog, but I do also believe that we will see the announcement of additional 747-8 sales this year as well. I think we will see both. We have several improvements going on the aircraft right now. In 2013, we will run a large flight test program to put improved engines on the airplane, to reactivate the tail fuel, and to put a new flight management computer on the airplane. By 2014, we expect the performance of the airplane to be very near the original brochure levels, which really provides phenomenal performance for an aircraft, well above 15% fuel burn improvement over the 747-400. Lufthansa is our largest customer to date, taking roughly 5 aircraft a year for the next 4 years. Our next 2 customers, we really expect Korean Airlines, who has announced their passenger fleet, and we are finalizing that configuration, as well as we are looking for government approval for the Air China 747-8 passenger airplanes, and we think that those will be our next 2 delivered customers.